Apple is doing it again. Months before launch, the hype machine is already running at full speed, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is being sold to the public as if it is getting some massive updates. But when you look closely, you will notice the same pattern Apple has repeated for years, small refinements wrapped in big marketing language. Take the design, for example. Apple is reportedly moving toward a smoother aluminum frame with a more seamless glass integration. That might sound premium on paper, but in reality, it raises questions. Aluminum is not exactly known for staying flawless over time. Scratches, dents, and wear could become more visible, especially for a device priced at the very top of the market. And instead of experimenting with something bold, Apple seems to be walking back into familiar, safer territory while calling it refinement. Even the color lineup, dark cherry, light blue, gray, and silver, feels like another recycled attempt to make the same slab of glass feel fresh again. It is aesthetic dressing, not real evolution. Then there is the display change. The dynamic island is rumored to shrink by around 35%. Apple will likely present this as a breakthrough in screen experience, but in practical use, it is still a cutout. A smaller one, yes, but not gone. Not solved. Just minimized. Meanwhile, the large 6.9-inch display remains largely the same in shape and identity, meaning the core visual experience is still familiar, just slightly less interrupted. The rear camera bump, however, is growing again. That alone tells a familiar story. Every year, Apple claims refinement, yet the camera system keeps physically expanding. Under the surface, there is talk of a 2nm A20 Pro chip, which sounds impressive. What they will feel is marginal speed improvements and slightly better efficiency, the same kind of gains that get rebranded every generation as game-changing performance. Camera upgrades are being pushed heavily in the leaks, especially variable aperture technology and a new 48-megapixel stacked sensor on paper. This sounds like Apple finally catching up to professional camera behavior. But Apple has a long history of over-promising camera revolutions that end up being subtle improvements in real-world shots. Better low light, slightly improved depth, sharper zoom. These are not revolutionary leaps anymore. They are expected baseline upgrades at this price point. Battery rumors are also being used to drive excitement, with claims of a 5,100 to 5,200 milliampere capacity. That sounds like a big jump, but it is being paired with efficiency promises from the new chip and software optimization. In other words, the same formula, increase one number, then balance it with invisible software claims. Even if the battery lasts longer, heavy users will likely still be tied to chargers by the end of the day, just like before. When you step back, the entire iPhone 18 Pro Max story starts to feel less like innovation and more like controlled evolution. Every upgrade is carefully measured, every change designed not to disrupt the ecosystem too much, and every breakthrough framed in a way that sounds bigger than it actually is. If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be announced at the September event, with a starting price expected around $1,199. And once again, it will be marketed as the most advanced iPhone ever made. But based on what these leaks actually show, it may end up being another familiar cycle, high expectations, polished presentation, and incremental reality. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next.